Bit of a change of scenery for me. Got the 300XC in Baja. I'm definitely used to riding stuff a little more like this. Not at all like this. So in this area, there's some technical, loose, rocky single track. And obviously some more wide open things. We'll see how it handles and if I need to change anything. The seals seem to be interested. For this kind of riding, I obviously changed my tire. I put the usually good for nothing stalker back on, but I really don't need a AT81EX in these conditions. I'd chew it up in hours. For the front, once the stock tire was done, I put on my trusty M59 that I run here and I run at home in the wet. It seems to be great everywhere. Last time I was in Baja, it held up pretty well, and can't say anything bad about this tire. The map button. Normally I'm a white map guy. Down here, oh, it's great to take advantage of that green map. That power valve opening up all the way. The bike revs even higher, it seems. It's a hell of a lot of fun. There it is. Sweet. Oh, wow. Gearing, didn't change it for these conditions, still stock. The bike definitely is more like a previous gen XCW than an XC in the first two gears. Past that, the gearing is very similar to the old XC, which for fifth and even sixth gear is great down here. Ooh, not brave enough to stand up through here. Overall, with the flexibility of the map switch, the changed gearing with a lower first and second, and the improved suspension, the bike is definitely better overall in all sorts of riding conditions. Not just what I initially rode and was used to, but now that I've had a chance to open it up and play around on some faster stuff and press that green button, a definite improvement from the previous gen. A hell of a lot of fun everywhere. Go ride one if you get a chance.